Sairam students, the lesson, there is a girl by the tracks. Baleshwar jumped off the moving train and he took her to the hospital with the help of whom? The truck driver. Correct? Then, so truck driver helped Baleshwar to take Roma to the hospital. Then one more person interfered. Who is that? That is the cop, policeman. So what did the policeman or the cop suggest? He suggested to take Roma to Airoli. Did Baleshwar agree? No. He did not agree to take Roma to Airoli. So why didn't he agree? What is the answer? Yes. Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away and Roma needed immediate treatment. She was unconscious. Correct? Then, with the help of truck driver, Baleshwar took her to the nearby hospital. There, who helped them to take the girl in? The nurses. Then, as the hospital lacked personnel and equipment, the on-duty physician suggested Baleshwar to take her to the nearby hospital, bigger hospital. Correct? They could give only what? First aid. Am I right? Then, next, when did Baleshwar ask Roma whom could he call? When she opened her eyes because of unsteady movement of the truck. Am I right? Then, so she gave her brother's cell phone number. He didn't have any pen. He didn't have what? A paper. But he remembered the cell phone number. That shows that he had a good memory. Now what should he do? Come to the next 14th paragraph, page number 28. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar asked, and the driver passed him his phone. Dinesh Talreja was wrapping up his day at his marketing job at a retail outlet in Ulhasnagar when his phone rang from a number he didn't recognize. Dinesh bhai, a young voice asked, your sister Roma has fallen off a train and we are taking her to Divine Hospital in Ganasoli. I am on my way, said Dinesh, rushing towards his motorcycle. So he had a vehicle. Dinesh bhai had a vehicle. What was that? That is motorcycle. Remember. So, Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar asked. So, who is the Chacha here? The truck driver is the Chacha. He was driving at that time. Can I borrow your mobile? Borrow, B-O-R-R-O-W. Borrow opposite lend. What is borrow? B-O-R-R-O-W means, say, frame a sentence. We borrow books from the library. How long do you keep those books with you? For a short period. What is the expectation of the librarian? You should return it. So you can enjoy that book for a short period, then you have to return it. Correct? So they lend the book. Librarian lends you the book. You borrow the book. So what is borrow then? Take and use. What? Something. Something. Take and use something belonging to someone else. Take and use what? Something which belongs to someone else. How long? With the intention of returning it. So you have to return it. You can enjoy for a short period. That is borrow. Take and use. What is lend? Give. Give or grant something on the understanding that you have to return it. It will be returned. That is lend. So here, can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar told, said, Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? It is in direct speech. Yes or no type question. Can I borrow? Yes, you can. No, you can't. So it is yes or no type question. Now the answer is Baleshwar. It's an enquiry, so asked or inquired. Asked Chacha. Who is the Chacha? The truck driver. Whether, yes or no type takes, whether can I becomes I can. So he, can becomes could, he could borrow. Your becomes his, truck drivers, his mobile. This is the answer. Whether he could borrow his mobile. So who is the I? Baleshwar is the I. Why did he need his mobile? Another question. So he needed his mobile to call whom? Dinesh. Who was Dinesh? Roma's brother. To inform Dinesh about the accident. Correct? Baleshwar asked and the driver passed him his mobile. So he had his mobile and he passed to whom? Baleshwar. He gave his cell phone. Dinesh Talriza, Roma's brother, was wrapping up. Wrap up. W-R-A-P. Wrap up means, meaning is given there. What is that? Wrap up means close the day's business. One word substitute. Remember that. Or finish. Or complete a job. Close the day's business. He was a businessman. At his marketing job at a retail outlet. You might have heard the word wholesale and retail. Retail outlet. Outlet means a shop. Here in Ulhasnagar. So her brother Dinesh had a small outlet, small shop in Ulhasnagar. When his phone rang from a number he did not recognize, identify, so it was an unknown number. He did not know whose number was it. It was a new number, so he had to receive the call. So what did he do? Dinesh Bhai, a young voice asked. See the article, a young man, not an. Dinesh Bhai, is it Dinesh Bhai? He said, the voice asked. Then, your sister Roma has fallen off a train. His sister Roma had fallen off a train. What is fall off? Means become detached and drop to the ground. And we are taking her to Divine Hospital in Ganasoli. So she was very serious and they were taking her to Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital, Ganasoli. So Baleshwar gave this information to Dinesh Bhai. Then, what was his response? I am on my way, he said. I am on my way means he left the place immediately towards Ganasoli Hospital. Said Dinesh, rushing towards his motorcycle. He rushed towards his motorcycle and gave the immediate response. Come to the next 15th paragraph. Roma arrived at Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center minutes later. Immediately, she reached. Who brought her to the hospital? The truck driver and Baleshwar Mishra. Dr. Anil Agarwal, the medical director there. So, who was the medical director in Ganasoli Hospital? That is Anil Agarwal. Seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, admitted her immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. So Anil Agarwal observed the seriousness. Seeing the extent means seeing the extent of injury area or stretch or severity or size. The area, the stretch, the size of the injury. Admitted, admit present, admitted past participle, admitted, gave admission noun, admit opposite, deny. Admitted her immediately adverb, immediate adjective, immediate response. Her immediately to the ICU means intensive care unit without any paperwork. So what made Anil Agarwal admit her immediately? The extent of injury, the seriousness of injury made Anil Agarwal admit her immediately. Important question. Now see, come to the 16th paragraph. He asked Baleshwar to hang around until Roma's family arrived. He means the doctor. That is when they noticed that the driver, having done all he could, had slipped away with his truck. Oh, I couldn't thank him, Baleshwar thought. So what happened? Anyhow, they admitted her. It's a great work, great service. Then what happened? He asked Baleshwar, who? Anil Agarwal. asked Baleshwar to hang around. What is hang around? Meaning is given there. Wait. It's a phrasal one. Or stay somewhere with no real purpose. Can say loaf about. To wait until Roma's family arrived. Till then he should wait there. Why? Because nobody was there to take care. Nobody was there to bring anything. So he asked, Anil Agarwal asked Baleshwar to wait outside till their arrival. That is when they noticed, they found that the driver, truck driver, what did he do? Having done all he could do, he did everything. He supported Baleshwar, helped him to keep Roma in the back of the truck. Everything was done. Then what was expectation? Had slipped away. Slip away means, it's not given there. Slip away. Simple word, leave. Slipped away. Move. Or pass. How? Quietly. Without informing others. Or depart. Without giving information. Without saying goodbye. By spelling B-Y-E. Without saying goodbye, he left. Or leave quietly. Leave secretly. Disappear. He disappeared from the place without informing whom? Baleshwar. Slipped away with his truck. Oh, I couldn't thank him, Baleshwar thought. So what was the response? See the extract question. Oh, I couldn't thank him. Who said this? Baleshwar said this. Who is the I? Baleshwar is the I. Who is the him referred here? That is the truck driver. Why couldn't he thank him? He could not thank him because having done all he could do, the truck driver slipped away. Why should he thank him? He should thank the truck driver because he helped Baleshwar to take Roma to the hospital. Correct? So very important. So it was not possible for him to thank. He was not ready to take even a thanks. Such a selfless man was the truck driver. I couldn't thank him. Baleshwar thought. Next, see. See the tag. I couldn't thank him. What is the tag? I couldn't thank him. So this is the helping verb. So here correct. Could. Not is here. So it should not be here. Could I? Could I is the tag. I could thank him. Couldn't I? I could not thank him. Could I? Could is the finite verb. Now come to the 17th paragraph. Roma was still unconscious, but her x-rays showed that although the injuries looked severe, all she needed were deep wound sutures. There would be no lasting damage. But Dr. Agarwal believes she could have bled to death had nobody helped her. When she finally opened her eyes, That night, her brother and fiancé were by her side. She could barely speak, just nodded and fell asleep again. So Roma was still unconscious. Still, adverb. Still can be used as adjective also. Still water, not moving. Correct? Stagnant. So here adverb. Still means up to this time, including the present. Or even now. However, even now also, Roma was still unconscious. Conscious opposite unconscious. Conscious adjective. Still unconscious. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಲಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Was still unconscious. Tag, wasn't she? But her x-rays, see the article used. It is dash x-ray machine. Which article do we use here? Article means a and the. Three articles are there. So which article? X-ray. It takes an X-ray. It's an X-ray machine. Why? The pronunciation begins from vowel sound A. So X-ray, an X-ray. Next, one more example. He is dash MA. It takes article, which one? M is a consonant letter, but the pronunciation is A. A is a vowel sound, so it takes an MA. An HMT watch. So it depends on the pronunciation of the first letter, not the letter. Correct? So an X-ray machine. So here, but her X-rays showed that although is the conjunction. Though is a conjunction. Though he worked hard, he could not pass. Although he worked hard, he could not pass. Correct? So though is that, though the injuries looked severe, it is a clause, subordinate clause. Correct? So though, although the injuries looked severe, comma, all she needed were deep wound sutures. What is suture? A stitch that is used to sew a wound together. A stitch may save her. The only needed thing is a stitch that would make her get up or feel well or all right. That means there is no serious injury. There is no long-lasting or permanent injury. It may cure. All she needed were deep wound sutures. There would be no lasting damage. See given. Lasting means lasting adjective. Lasting damage. Damage is noun. Lasting means enduring. Lasting means permanent. Lasting means long lasting, never ending. So no lasting damage, no permanent damage, no severe damage. But what did Anil Agarwal say? Believes, belief, disbelief. Believe, disbelieve. Believable, unbelievable, opposite words. So believes she could have bled to death if nobody had helped her. She would have bled to death. Bleed present. Bleed, bled, bled. Bleeding present participle. To bleed is infinitive. She could have bled to death had nobody helped her. If nobody had helped her, she could have bled to death. So Baleshwar came at the right moment and did a right job to save Roma. ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಳು ಅಂತ. When she finally opened her eyes that night, it is a subordinate clause. It is a dependent clause. Correct? When she finally opened her eyes that night gives half meaning, cannot give full meaning. So this sentence should be the part of the main clause. So this sentence has a conjunction. What is that conjunction? That is when. Her brother and fiancé were by her side. When she opened her eyes, these two people were standing by her side, bedside. She could barely speak. She could barely speak. Tag is, what is barely? B-A, barely speak. Opposite. Barely means never. Negative, it gives negative meaning. Just, only, almost not, hardly. This is the correct answer. So here the correct answer is hardly, almost never, poorly. It's the correct. She could poorly speak. That means she could not speak in a better manner. Just what did she do? She is unable to speak. Just nodded. What is nod? Nod present, nodded past participle. Nod means quick forward movement of head expressing assent. Nod. That is quick forward movement of head expressing what? Assent. Yes. Approval. Giving approval. Quick forward and backward movement of one's head is called nodding. Nodded. Howdu anta helidare. Nodded and fell asleep again. Correct? He slept again. That means she could not speak. She was unable to speak. She could not respond. Now, I think you understood. Correct? Now take down the questions. Who admitted Roma without any formalities or paperwork? Next, second one. Who called Dinesh Bhai to inform about Roma's condition? Why should Baleshwar thank the truck driver? Correct? Sir.